Hello and welcome to the 15th annual LD Micro main event here in Los Angeles. I'm here with Ryan Confer, CFO of Genprex Incorporated. Ryan, thank you so much for joining us today. And also the ticker symbol is GNPX on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. Again, thank you for being here. Would you like to tell our audience a little bit about Genprex and the focus of the company?
Sure, thank you. So Genprex is a biopharmaceutical company. We're public, traded on NASDAQ. We focus on gene therapies specifically for oncology and diabetes. In our oncology platform, we're focusing on lung cancer, which affects about 235,000 new cases every single year. About 2 million people die from it worldwide.
Wow.
We have 2 combination studies in our lung cancer program. Both of them have FDA Fast Track designations.
That's excellent. Hard to come by, from what I understand.
Yes.
Excellent. And what's your background? How did you get involved with the company?
Yeah, so my background's always been with finance and strategy operations of startup entities, but I've been with the company since it was founded in 2009. We've grown the company very leanly over the years, eventually went public in 2018 after 2 pretty successful early trials with our cancer program, and now have expanded them into our FDA Fast Track designations.
That's great. What's kind of been your driving passion behind your focus here?
Well, oncology has always been in our DNA. We have a really unique delivery system. It's a non-viral delivery system utilizing lipid nanoparticles.
Interesting.
And so in that way, it's just very friendly and safe compared to a lot of other drugs that are toxic, specifically for cancer. So, we really feel like we're changing the paradigm when it comes to therapies for the future, and it's something that we all feel really passionate about. So.
That's excellent. And are there any new products on the horizon that investors keep an eye out for?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. We actually announced recently our diabetes program, which is also a gene therapy. Really exciting for us. This program we're testing currently in mice and monkeys. We have 2 genes that we identify that specifically are injected into the pancreas to transform alpha cells into beta-like cells. So beta cells are the cells that produce insulin, regulate insulin or glucose in the blood. And also they're like beta cells, but different enough to evade the immune response that type 1 diabetics get. So pretty significant program for us.
Wow. And how's the rollout and acceptance, adoption of all this been?
Well, so we're still in preclinical for all of it. Our cancer programs are in a phase 1-2 clinical trial. We expect our 1 program, the phase 1, to be done by the end of this year. Our diabetes program are still in preclinical animal testing, but we're hoping to announce some new data on that early next year. So
Fantastic. And how would products that you're developing differ from products that are out there currently?
yeah, so kind of 2 things. One is we have a non-viral delivery system for cancer. It is the first systemic non-viral delivery system in cancer in humans.
Well,
So that in of itself is very, very unique. Additionally, we're working with major cancer drugs after they're no longer essentially working in patients. So we're able to extend the life of their drug in combination with ours to extend the patient's life, and as well as extend the life of the drug for those companies as well.
sounds like some great work. In closing, is there anything that you'd like investors to be aware of? Anybody out there you'd like to direct any new news to?
The only thing I'd say is we have a number of catalyst events coming up in the next year that we're really excited about. The phase 1 clinical study for our Claim 1 trial with Tagrisso should be done by the end of this year. We're also expanding into small cell lung cancer and should have a trial started for that next year, as well as diabetes data early next year as well. So we have a lot to look forward to and are really excited about in the near future.
Fantastic. Where can investors go to find out more about the company?
Our website, genprex.com.
Genprex.com. Great. Thank you so much for coming by with us today, Ryan. We appreciate you sharing your story with us and joining us here at LD Micro.
Thank you.